So he's Thomas Fili, I'm Guillem Quintana from the Polytechnical University of Catalonia. We are fellow researchers in the microgravity lab, and we are doing a research in two-phase fluid experiments in microgravity. So on long-term exploration missions, typically cryogenic propellants are used. Those propellants are stored at really low temperatures, so heat leaks may appear, and those heat leaks may produce some small boiling bubbles. So there's a waste of fuel, let's say. We are developing a method using acoustic fields which will remove those bubbles and will condensate them in such a way that not many propellant is lost during the flight. On top of that, we are also developing a method which will measure the amount of liquid inside the tank without being intrusive. So in our experiment we have two different tanks, so more or less 1 liter.5 tanks. One is for the mass gauging experiment, so we are checking which is the amount of liquid inside the tank with this non-intrusive method. On the other tank we are trying to manage the boiling bubbles, so we are producing 1 millimeter bubbles, and then with the acoustic fields we are removing them, and we are seeing also the heat fluxes going through this hot surface. So the technology that we are developing has as a target those satellites or space missions going far away. For instance, a satellite going to Mars, which is planning to land. Probably it will use cryogenic propellants. And during the travel, those propellants will experience boiling, local boiling. So with the technology that we are developing, we will be able to get rid of those boiling bubbles and condensate them. And on top of that, during the travel, we will be able as well of measuring the amount of propellant inside the tank. We are using the drop tower, dropping the capsule, because our experiment requires really high quality microgravity. We are looking at small bubbles, 1 millimeter bubbles, and we are using a macro lens, so the bubbles should be in a really area, in a focus area, and that's the reason for going for the drop. On the other side, the catapult mode is producing an acceleration at the beginning, so when the catapult starts, the bubble can move around because of this peak acceleration. So it's not suitable for our purpose.